I have been strongly opposed to the department allowing taxpayer-funded faith-based foster care agencies to refuse to work with otherwise qualified parents because they're Jewish or Catholic. 8 months later, your department expanded this taxpayer-funded discrimination, announcing it would allow all of your funded grantees to deny services to people on the basis of sex or religion. So now, not only could vulnerable kids in the foster care system be denied access to qualified and loving parents, an early childhood center could turn away a child from their program because that child's parents are Jewish. Or LGBTQ people could be refused domestic violence services. And you can go on and on. How can you claim that this is protecting the religious liberty of Americans?
So first, we believe all individuals should be treated with dignity and respect in whether it's our healthcare programs or our human services programs. That should be our expectation of every aspect of our programs. But we also enforce discrimination laws that are passed by Congress, and we want to vigorously enforce those. The regulation that you mentioned was promulgated really singling out one particular Supreme Court case, imposing that as an obligation, and also violating, at least risking the violation of the Regulatory Flexibility Act in its implementation. And so we did not feel we could enforce that. We have a proposed regulation out that would require our grantees to comply with all Supreme Court case law, not singling one particular rule out, and also require compliance with the anti-discrimination laws as passed by Congress. But at our core, we believe everybody should be treated with respect in our health and human service programs.
All I can tell you, Mr. Secretary, as I read the law, you went from essentially a pilot project to saying that all HHS-funded grantees could deny services to people on the basis of sex or religion. I think that is a horrendous precedent for this department that is so important to people, and we're not going to get parents that we need for these foster care programs.